The end of summer 1990, and on a dull Sunday afternoon, crowds gathered to see the launch of Sheringham Lifeboat. Oakley-class, self-righting lifeboat, the Manchester Unity of Oddfellows, is Sheringham's longest-serving offshore motor lifeboat. For 29 years, this boat has been on station here, launched 127 times and saving 134 lives. One tricky rescue, carried out by the Manchester Unity of Oddfellows, was to 4 people on a converted ship's lifeboat, Lucy. The Lucy was on her maiden voyage from Peterborough to Southwold on the 15th of August 1961. The weather was cold, with a strong northwesterly wind and short, steep sea. Towards noon, the Lucy sprung a leak at the stern and started to take on water rapidly. Distress signals were spotted and Sheringham Lifeboat launched, using the haul-off rope to prevent her being washed broadsides onto the beach. Just as the boat left the carriage, the mast holding the haul-off rope snapped, and it was only by skillful handling by coxswain Henry Downtide West that tragedy was averted. The Manchester Unity of Oddfellows found the Lucy 5 miles northeast of Sheringham, and the 3 crewmen boarded the craft and helped transfer the owner's unconscious wife and young son to the lifeboat. The owner was transferred next, whilst the 4th member of the crew remained on board with the lifeboat men, while a tow was attempted. In the fierce swell, the rope snapped, and the coxswain decided to evacuate the 4 men remaining on board. The casualties were landed at Sheringham, and all made a full recovery. Soon after this film was made, the Manchester Unity of Oddfellows was retired from service,